Alright guys, thank you for clicking on this video, and today I'm gonna unbox this it's called Big Ears magnetic brackets. I'll go ahead and do the unboxing, and I'll do the installation as well. Alright, so let's unbox this. And I'm gonna put the, if you want to get one of these, I'll put the buy link on the description below. So let's see how this. So this is what came with this. It's the so it comes with the big mounting plate, comes with a spare 3M. I'm not sure if this is a spare. Yeah, it comes with a spare 3M tape and a small circular plate or magnetic plate. Put it right here. So I'm not gonna use this one because I already have one already on my phone. So I'm just gonna show you this. So this one has a rubber, padding here on the top, so in that way it doesn't scratch your phone. So it's very durable and steady. So see, actually you can put like a tablet on this one and still gonna hold it, no problem. Very strong magnet. So, and you can swivel either direction, So let's see. You know what? It looks like it's bigger. So base is too big, so I'm gonna find another place to mount this. I found the spot where I can mount this. So I found right over here, so it fits on this one. So, and I hardly use these controls anyway, so I'm gonna put it right here. There we go. Mount it right over here. Alright, right here. So it's so easy to install. Just find a spot where you want to mount it and remove the adhesive on the 3M, and that's it. So now I can mount my phone right over here, so it doesn't get into the way of my AC vent. So I can put it right there. Anyway guys, this plate comes with the sticker, so you can actually put it on top of it just in case. I would say this is a film that you put it on top of these, so in that way it doesn't scratch your device if you're gonna put it in. However, this film is a bit bigger. Let me install it. So I think it's a little bit bigger, so what you do is cut it using scissors. So I'm gonna install the other one too. There you go. So when you put that, like for example this on the phone, Let me show you. Right here before I just put a tape so it doesn't scratch your phone. Probably gonna replace this one with this. It's a little bit bigger. So I'm probably gonna use this one for my GPS, and this one is for my phone. There you go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share the video, and hope to see you on my next video.